Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here you can see this reading name, Australia's Lost Giants reading. So this was part of 4th November IELTS exam in India, and of course this can be repeated in any other country. So I will not be reading anything, so only I will try to understand the reading title, Australia's Lost Giants reading. So let's see the types of question they have been given us, and of course till then please subscribe and like and do comment on my channel. So first type of question we have, which paragraph contain the following information, and second type of we have multiple choice questions, and third type of question we have here true false not given. Okay, so I will start my reading passage from first type of question. They have given which paragraph contains the following information, because for these 5 questions there are 5 paragraphs. If there is no matter, if there are 7 paragraphs, no worries, because in this way when we will be doing this question first, we will come to know about the paragraph reading. Means every paragraph we will come to know the actual situation, what's going on in the paragraphs, and the location of some important keywords side by side. When we will be reading, suppose this is the paragraph, we will try to underline the things like this. Okay, so keyword strategy is also important while reading so many things, like kangaroo is also there, so scientist is also there. So not everything we will not read it, we will not underline or circle it. Important things what we are thinking that it can come into it may be important for other types of question. Now let's start with first type of question, that is which section contain the following information. Okay, so first, how to do which section contains the following information. It's important to read the question statement, means the information twice, so that we can come to know the meaning and what they are going to talk. Examples of kinds, and of course underline the keywords. Examples of kinds of animals that did not die out, okay, as a result of hunting. So hunting and die out, of course they are talking about animals. So giant animal key passage name is also giant animal kind of thing. So those animals which did not die out because of hunting, so that reading passage paragraph will be the answer. Next one, description. So here which section contains the following information, and list of heading. So you need to read the options or information in advance, then go to the paragraph wise. Description of naturally occurring events. Okay, naturally occurring events means weather kind of thing that make the past hard to trace. Okay, impossible to find the old things because of this naturally occurring events. So an account of the discovery of a particular animal, okay, which had died out. Okay, any particular animal which had died out. Okay, so the fourth, a procedure to uncover fossilized secrets was inappropriate. A procedure that was to uncover fossilized secrets was inappropriate. Okay, the reason why a variety of animals all died in the same small area. Same small area is important, and reason why a variety of animals all died. Okay, now we have read. Now coming to A number paragraph. I will make this video in parts, so you can just watch, because I am going to explain you everything. So first passage is like that, so I am showing you full passage so you can read it. The cave was explored by fossil hunter named Roadwells. Okay, person name is there, who came to the South Australia in the narrow passages which were distinctly clawed led to huge chambers. The ground had red soils, floor was. It took Wells a moment to acknowledge that what he was checking out were the bones of thousands of animals that might have fallen from opening in the ground above and gotten stuck. Okay, compared to the mammals found today in Australia, okay, some of the oldest were far more sizable. These bones belong to Australia megafauna, giant mammals of this epoch across the continent. Fossils of these snake and animals name they have given were discovered by scientists. Considering the amount of light cast on the extinction of the, it's surprising that a little has been discovered about, has been discovered about megafauna. Prehistoric humans have harmed this with spears, although they did not hunt mammoths and mastodons. Okay, so this passage A we have read. Let's read it. Let's read the options. Now you can just check it out what we have read it in A paragraph. Anything is matching. They did not die out as a result of hunting. Prehistorical humans harmed this with spear, although they did not hunt mammoths and all. All examples of the kinds of animals that did not die out as a kinds of animals. Okay, let's read another one. Naturally occurring events that make the past. This is not given, not explained here. Discovery of a particular animal which had died out. But so many animals are there. The suggestion that a procedure to uncover fossilized secrets was in so fossil kind of thing is not there. The reason why a variety of animals all died in the same small area. Yes, they were talking, I think they are talking like that. Fossil, a cave was explored. See, this cave was explored, that is small area, and the ground had red soil. Floor was it took Wells a moment to acknowledge that what he was checking out bones of that that might have fallen from opening in the ground, and many animals they have given. So we will go with A only. And examples of kinds of animals that did not die, but no, they did hunt mammoths and masts. So this is not matching. So this why a variety of animals all died in the same small area. Small area is this cave only, and bones of thousands of animals that might have fallen from opening. And these bones belong to Australians, so many animals name they have given. So that is A number. Now let's read B number paragraph. Now B number paragraph. Soon after the arrivals of humans, the extinction of megafauna in America, including mammoths, these cats, gigantic sloths, occurred 13,000 years ago. A fellow named Paul Martin published a hypothesis known as this hypothesis in 1960. Modern people caused choice. Okay, let's move to another page. So here, Americas by killing animals with spears. These animals had never seen a smart predator before, so they couldn't defend themselves. But this period of extinction was not complete. On the continent, North America retained its deer, black bear, and a small type of bison, and on the continent South America had its jaguar and this. So it means these animals had never. Okay, so it means what? So I will just show it to you. See, you can see this here. They are talking about these animals retained till now. So examples of the kinds of animals that did not die out as a result of hunting also. So killing animals with spears. So we will just write B with this paragraph. Now C paragraph. This is C paragraph. It is confounding to witness the melancholy of Australia's large animals. Okay, for a quite long time. Okay, researchers put aside any other causes for extinction other than environmental changes. Okay, to be sure, Australia has been die out for more than and the megafauna were confronted with a landmass where vegetation had started to vanish. Okay, had been drying out and confronted with landmass where vegetation had started to vanish. Tim Fleury, person name is there, an Australian. This proposed that people who moved onto the continent around 50 centuries ago used fire to hunt. This was accompanied, so fire also accompanied by deforestation. Something worrisome occurred to Australia's predominant land animals somewhere after the intrusion of a profoundly wise hunter with excellent tools. Okay, so I will show you the options also. C we have just read out this. So anything is matching. Naturally occurring events that make the past. So naturally occurring, drying out. So these are the things given, but that makes the past hard to means that makes the impossible thing to trace the past, that is not given. So fourth, the suggestion that a procedure to uncover, this word is also not given, so C is not matching with anything. I am just holding it, you just pause the screen. So let's read D1. The controversy over megafauna revolves around the methods. Okay, methods for dating old ones. Old bones, sediments in which they were buried. Only if scholars can demonstrate that the extinction of megafauna within a few centuries or possibly couple thousand years of emergence of human would the argument of strengthened regardless of whether it was merely coincidental. Okay. Controversy is there over megafauna revolves around the methods for dating old bones and sediments. Okay. So is this matching anything? See this. Particular animal which had died out, suggestion that a procedure to uncover unfossilized secrets was inappropriate. So let's finish this D part also in next page. Now this is the remaining part of D, you can read it. So Cuddy Spring is a new word in New South Wales, can demonstrate this without a shadow of doubt. This person name is there. Currently the most vocal. In 1991 she discovered megafauna bones as well as stone tools. This was a significant discovery. She claims there are two strata displaying the affiliation, one around this and this. This suggests that people and megafauna coexisted in Australia for at least 20,000. What Cuddy Spring reveals is that you have a long cross of people. No, nothing is there. Nothing is related to naturally occurring events that makes the past hard to trace. An account of discovery of a particular animal which had died out, no. And fossilized kind of thing is also not there. Let's read E paragraph. This is E paragraph. So another renowned boneyard in a similar area. Similar area is a spot called Welling. This, the largest known, bears its young in a was discovered. A small area is a spot called this. The largest, an animal like that kangaroo, koalas, bears like its young in pouch. It was okay. In 1830, a regional officer lowered down himself into the cave utilizing a rope snare to a hole. The hole was actually a bone. 12 months later, a surveyor examined the caves in the area and gave Richard on, who was recognized later for unraveling the existence of dinosaurs. So here they are talking about regional officer had come and he had done this caves, who was recognized later for unrevealing existence of dinosaur extinct. Okay, so I think they are talking about fossilized and he is trying to get procedure to uncover. Okay, but we need to find inappropriate also suggestion. Okay, so but here we can just come to know that he was trying to get some things, fossil secrets. Okay, were found in Wellington. Okay, in 15 sediments in this consisted of fossils were dug out and studied in haphazard manner. As a result of this, no scholar agreed. It means it was inappropriate they are talking, and no scholar agreed with this. It means we will just put it here E also. Okay, so next part of E paragraph. So here next part of E, findings. Yet a single bone particularly captured dramatic attention, a femur with a wound. Okay, but here, yes, I remember here they were talking about dinosaurs. So unraveling the existence of dinosaur, and we all know that it is no more, this animal is no more. An account of discovery of a particular animal which had died out. So this also we can just keep it E till now. If in F, if we found something, then we can change it. Now let's read F paragraph. Sadly, the earth converses its history in a chaotic manner. Bones degrade, the land erodes, the climate changes, the mere existence of forest is uncertain, rivers change their course and history. Sadly, the earth conserves its history in a chaotic manner. The stories constructed from time to time have limited information. Various rock art portrayed Australia's first people. The painting of this was examined. A in Western, another site shows that seems to be hunter. Okay, so one thing here they are talking about a weather kind of thing. So natural occurring events. So natural occurring events, these are they are talking. Rivers change their course, history slowly gets disguised, and so earth conserve its history in a chaotic manner. So bones degrade and land erodes, climate changes. So it means they are talking about F. In this paragraph they are talking F kind of thing. Now coming to next question.